Almost 13 years ago, I had my twins, and the pregnancy was very difficult and stretched out my abdomen like you wouldn't believe. And I had a ventral hernia after that, and I continued on and had 3 more pregnancies. And with this last baby I had almost 2 years ago, my OBGYN said it was one of the worst ventral hernias she's seen, and I needed to fix it. So I knew this was going to be major surgery, and I was nervous. I'm a nurse and I have a medical background, and I just wanted somebody who I could feel completely confident in. And I had been to several doctors, and I didn't feel comfortable that they were confident in doing the surgery for me. And I just wanted to feel that someone knew what they were doing and would do a good job. I wanted to do it once and have it done. And when I met Dr. Javan, I felt her calm energy, and I felt that she was confident in taking care of me in the way that I wanted to be taken care of. And I knew I was in for a long recovery, and I had explained to her that I wanted it done right, and I knew it would be a difficult recovery, and I was okay with that. I'd been to other doctors who I didn't feel had the confidence that Dr. Javan has, and that made me nervous. I knew that she was capable and competent in doing this work, and I appreciated her calm approach about it, and also her realistic and natural approach. I came into this with wanting to fix a medical problem and do it also aesthetically, and she was able to do both of those things for me, which I really appreciate, and I couldn't be happier with the results. And I really appreciate her outlook and philosophy. We both went into this with a similar attitude of really a lot of gratitude for what my body had been through with the pregnancies and having 5 children. And I appreciated that she understood that part of me. I was frustrated with the other plastic surgeons I had consults with because no one made me feel confident in their skills, that here I was being so vulnerable and going through this major surgery. I just didn't feel really right about anybody until I met Dr. Javan. Her confidence, I knew she was the one to make me feel whole again and could feel like a woman again. And as a mom, that means a lot. After having been through so many pregnancies and having my body change so much, I'm so grateful that I am able to feel complete again, and I love the results. Now that I am a couple months out, looking back, I really appreciated Dr. Javan's care and concern for me personally, because it's a difficult recovery, and in my recovery I had a couple of complications with some illness, and I reached out to her and communicated that with her, and she took care of me and was really concerned and wanted me to be comfortable, and that meant a lot to me. And she did stress that communication is important to her with her patients, and I really appreciated that. I felt taken care of. I felt like I was family, and she wanted me to be comfortable and have the best recovery possible. And I would also just add that I really trusted Dr. Javan. She made me feel like she understood my reason for doing this, and she wanted to give me the gift that I wanted to give myself. And that meant a lot to me.